The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) announced digital rupee on 1st December 2022. Now, to understand what is digital rupee, the e-rupee is a form of digital token that will represent legal tender. Now, it is different from cryptocurrencies and is definitely not one, as the digital rupee is issued in same denominations as paper coins and traditional currencies that we use as of now. Cryptocurrencies has its own denominations. For instance, the Bitcoin unit can have a 0.001 denomination and can translate to any rupee count. Digital currency will be available in 1, 5, 10, 20, 50 and other denominations that are available for physical currencies that we use as of now. Now, how will digital rupee work? The digital currency in first phase, also known as the pilot phase, will be issued by 4 banks, which is SBI, State Bank of India, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank and IDFC First Bank. Users can get digital rupee from any of these banks and use it for transactional purposes. There would be digital wallets similar to what we have for cryptocurrency wallets that you could download on your smartphones to use the digital rupee. Using the digital rupee, you can send money to your friend, person to person, or pay any bills like person to any merchant. Now, to pay merchants, you can initiate payments via QR codes also. Since they are like physical cash, you won't get any interest on your digital rupee. Also, like physical cash, you will always have the option to convert it into different forms, transfer to savings bank account or open a bank deposit, etc. Now, talking about list of eligible banks and cities, the central bank does not want to rush with digital currency. Hence, the expansion will happen in phased manner. Now, in the second phase of the pilot, 4 more banks will be included, which is Bank of Baroda, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Union Bank of India. Now, in the first pilot phase, the digital currency will be available in 4 cities, which is Mumbai, New Delhi, Bangalore and Bhubaneswar. And in the second phase, cities that will be included are Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Indore, Gangtok, Guwahati, Kochi, Patna and Shimla. There is no timeline as to when the service will be rolled out to all the cities and will be available to all the banks. Now, to the most asked question, is digital rupee safe to use? Now, it will be issued by RBI, which is the central bank, and will have the same trust level as physical currency holds till date. Yes, there will be some issues in using digital currency because it is in initial stages of development, but moving forward it would be solved. However, the central bank has said that it will use the pilot to learn and phase on learning. It will offer various features and applications to users to use in future. Until then, have a great Sunday and rest of the week. I'll catch you in the next.